Hi there! Welcome to this tutorial on setting up your members area in your WebForce dashboard. It's an exciting step towards creating a personalized experience for your website visitors. Let's get started. First, you'll need to click on the option to set up the members area in your dashboard. It's located in the Setup section, so go ahead and click on it. The first step in creating your members area is selecting the path. This is the URL that will be attached to your website domain, so choose a custom path that you like. For example, you can call it Members. Once you've selected your desired path, click Continue to move on to the next step. Next, you'll need to set up the paths for the general URL that your members site will have. This includes things like the login page, the dashboard, and the products page. Take some time to decide on the URL you want to use and set them up accordingly. Now it's time to choose a theme for your members area. This is where you can customize the look and feel of your site. Take a look at the different themes available and choose the one that best fits your style and brand. For example, you can select the medial theme for a modern and clean look. Once you've chosen your theme, click on Create and then sit back and wait for the magic to happen. Your members area will be created with your chosen theme and settings. Once the members area is set up, you can go to the bottom left banner of your dashboard, click Settings, and look for the Membersite section. Here, you'll be able to check on all the paths you've set up, including the login page. Click on the login page path and then log in with your own login credentials. This will give you access to your Membersite's dashboard where you can manage your products, contact information, and customer account settings. From the dashboard, you'll be able to see all the products you've set up, along with their values. You can also manage customer information and other settings to customize your members area to suit your specific needs. And there you have it. You now have your very own members area set up and customized to your liking. Don't forget to follow for more tutorials on creating and customizing your member site. Happy exploring! Still not part of WebForce? What are you waiting for? Book a demo with us and check all the benefits we have to offer.